Hi, I'm Lisa Dorfman, the running nutritionist and chef ambassador for Fully Fresh. Happy National Nutrition Month. I bet you didn't know that March is National Nutrition Month, a month that's dedicated from the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics to all things good, all things healthful, helping America, helping our citizens, men, women, teens, kids, learn how to eat better, whether that's reading food labels or just getting some more nutritious foods in your diet or hydrating with clear fluids, unless they're watermelon radish fluids. Yes, I'll talk about that in just a minute. But our featured sprout of the month is clover sprouts. And everything that you see here on the table has been infused with clover sprouts. Clover sprouts are rich in protein, in fiber, in vitamin C, along with the watermelon radish that I've been also gifted, and I'm just so grateful for. I've infused the clover sprouts to a beautiful bread loaf, nice aerated. Not only that, but again, the clover sprouts add protein, add fibers, add vitamin C, so yummy and delicious. I've added the clover sprouts, I've toasted them and added them to a trio of watermelon radish. So I've grilled the watermelon radish, I steamed it, I put raw watermelon radish. I sauteed that with onions, with potatoes, with roasted garlic. I then blended it up with some, now this is a vegan dish, so some vegan almond milk. I garnished it with some vegan sour cream, and voila, you have this beautiful watermelon radish toasted clover sprout potage that you could eat either cold or hot. Absolutely delicious and nutritious, along with my farm fresh salad and a clover sprout pesto, which was again so super easy to make. You take walnuts, which are a really great source of omega-3s, some olive oil, which are really rich in polyphenols and another antioxidant compound. I've added, of course, the clover sprouts and some lemon juice, and voila, you put it in a food processor and you have a nice accompaniment to a nice farm fresh salad. And of course, we got to stay hydrated, so this is my watermelon radish mocktail. So cheers to National Nutrition Month, cheers to your good health, and have a great month.